Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.